Patience and condition, that is what I always stress about in my videos. And this is what we have got paid off. Patience paid off. As from the last 4 days, I've been talking about waiting for the conditions, and I've been talking about to wait until we have an entry confirmation by hitting over 50 EMA or whatever the entry confirmations we get. And with that, we got this winning trade right here. So, not a bad week. We took around 3 trades in priority group, and all three hit take profit, including this one I've sent yesterday. So, with that being said, today I'm going to go through net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. And I'm going to start with this favorite commodity, net gas. On this platform, I'm waiting for this candle to close, and this candle will close in next 20 minutes. And with that, I will go 180 target. The ADR is 20, and then I will manage my position. I sometimes take a bigger target. That is what I can't explain in the video, but 180 should be fine from here, or you can manage after your 180 target is hit. Now, what do we have here? As you know, we have our take profit hit just today. Right here, I've sent two targets. Our target one was hit earlier, and then our target two was hit here just now. What to expect from here? Now, again, I will look for another condition. We are still not broken and closed. We are broken but not closed yet. So I wanted to show you the previous trade we have taken a couple of weeks ago right here. So this was the previous trade, a double bottom trade we have taken a couple of weeks ago. I don't remember right here. And if you see, if you come back, we are in a similar situation. Now, I will only go for my buying reason. Just draw your rejection zone like this. So I will only go for my buying trades if I see a strong double bottom pattern. As you can see, we have a formation, but I want to see engulfing candle right here. If I have an engulfing candle right here, then I will take my long trade. And the way you identify the engulfing candle, let me quickly show you an example of that. So at the first bottom, we have an engulfing candle. So this is something I want to see here. A pin bar or an engulfing candle, a 3A2 candle, whatever you want to call it, a hammer candle. And if I see here in this rejection area, then I will look for my buying trades. And by the time we have that move, we might see oversold situation as well. We do have an oversold situation here, and if we have that move, we will have a divergence as well, which is a strong signal for a buy, but only with a condition, entry condition. So wait for that, be patient, do not enter just nowhere in the market. You will get nothing, but just wait and hope that market comes back in your point. So make sure enter with a good conditions and confirmation. And if you are confused, do let me know, and you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you. So look for these conditions here on NatGas. And let me give you the rejection zone is 7.449 goes up to 7.634. I will look for the next sell trade if I have a break and close below this first bottom and buying with a good condition here, or by the hit of this next support. This is not a major support. The major support is right way below here, way down here. We do have a support here and here, but these are the minor supports. Let's check here on Owanda. Just readjusted these zones. If you see 7.595 goes up to 7.897. So this is my new zone. You can readjust these zones. And similar here, if you see, we took this nice double bottom trade. As you can see, this was a trade I had taken right here and right here after the break of neckline. And if you remember a few videos back, I put the link down there in the description if you wish to see. So we are getting a similar condition here. So mark your rejection zones like this. If you have a rejection in this area, 7.404, 7.5, 7.450. If we have a hit of this zone and then we have an entry condition, the one I've just explained, once we have that, I will go for my long trade and we will have divergence as well if we have a rejection in this area. So wait for that. I will look for the condition. I will only sell if we have a break and close below this first bottom. So I will buy here with the condition, or I will buy here in this support area. Not a major support, but we can expect a bounce from here as well. So keep an eye on these zones. Let's check gold. Nice one. Like I said yesterday, let me quickly show you so that you understand the entries and the way you mark these zones. Resistance is 1983 goes up to 2000. So this is the little resistance area. Let's say if we have a push up, we can expect some pullback. Awesome. Now, as you can see, it did react it from the minor zone, but I have said that we can expect a pullback. But we do have a 50 EMA support here. So that is why I won't be selling at this point. Yeah, we do have this engulfing candle, but that is a minor support, minor resistance area. That is why I'm not looking to sell here. We can still get a push up from here after hitting this 50 EMA in case we have a push down, a massive push down. So this is the zone 1883 from where I want to look for my buying trades. So keep these zones here. Again, the major selling zone is above 20.47, goes up to 20.64. This is the major zone I want to sell silver with one of my entry conditions. Let's check gold. 1652 goes up to 1654. This is the zone I'm expecting some bounce, some pullback before we can see another push down. That's awesome. What do we have? Right, we have a nice bounce out of our area with an engulfing candle. As you can see, with that, we had $13 move up. And of course, we have a 50 EMA resistance, and you know that 50 EMA is a good level of resistance, and also it is aligning with this resistance area above. Now, again, not buying gold. Gold is still ranging. Just wait for a breakout and close this zone, which is 1685. If we have a breakout above that, only then we can see gold to turn bullish. Otherwise, not buying until we are above this zone. So I will only buy if we have a break above, or if we hit this level of major support, which is 1644, and from where I will look for my buying trade. So until then, gold is not bullish. Look for a sell conditions. Right here, crude oil also ranging at this point. Not much movement here, as you can see, still ranging. Not buying until we are above 50 EMA, broken above 50 EMA, and then I will look for one of my entry conditions. So at this point, I'm not placing any sort of trade here on crude oil. It's just ranging. I will wait for a breakout either below or above this zone to see if I'm taking sell or buy trade. Is just ranging at this point, no conditions yet. So that's all for commodities here. If you have any questions, any confusions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.